One of the things that is going to slow the speed of your website down is having large images. Today in this video, I want to break down how you can make your images look not only really good quality, but also be small in size so that it doesn't impact your load speed and doesn't impact the overall SEO of your website. Hello there, my name is Edward White. Before we start, if you could consider subscribing, that would mean so much and I would really appreciate it. Let's get into the video. I'm going to show you my screen and we're going to talk through how you can do it for your website and the really simple way. So before we start, we want to choose some images that we're going to use for our thing. I want to use that one. If we go, so I want to use this image. So we're going to go File, Export, and we want to save it as a JPEG with small and then quality 90, and then just export one photo and save it to a location that you will remember where to get it from. So hit export. Another one I want to save is, say, this one. If you hit Command E, this will just export it to the same place so that you don't have to keep worrying about hitting File, Export. You can just do it. Then what you want to do is open up a Photoshop document, go create new, create it to the size that you want. So I'm going to use 1080 by 1080p, as this is just a standard size, which makes a nice square. You then want to go and find the images that you had. So I'm going to use the two images I can see here, right click, go open with, and then open with Photoshop. If you hold shift and drag that into the other workspace, you'll be able to put it in the center of the picture. I like how that's positioned, I like how it looks, I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna go Command, Shift, Option, Command S. It's quite a lot. The reason you do this, another way to do this is go to File, Export, and then Save for Web. And this will just help you to save it as a really small size. Then you want to go to JPEG in the selection menu and hit, I'd say high. It depends on what you've got in the images, how much color you've got, and various different things. So maybe if you've just got like a fairly simple image, you could probably get away with doing medium. But again, I think it makes this quality look a little bit harsh. So I'm not going to do it. I'm going to keep it on high. We want to check just before. So that's this image here, and it's 1.1 megabyte. If we hit on that, we hit make sure it's optimized, and that will just keep it really simple. Hit save it to a place, and now when you save an image for SEO purposes, which is search engine optimization, you want to save it as something that is related to the brand. So this is Rave Coffee, and this is their subscription service. So save it with hyphens. That will help with the words being found by Google or other search engines. Hit save and make sure you've got that .jpeg so that is recognized as a file format. So now we've got the original, which is 1.1, and then the saved one, which is 221 kilobytes. And that's quite a difference. If you are on a website, the load speed, so that's essentially a fifth smaller than what you had before. So you've got to think about, like, especially with e-commerce sites and stuff like that, every time a website's trying to find images, trying to pull it all together, it's going to have to load it. So you just want to do this and it will help your speed so much. I can't reiterate this enough. Every time you want to upload a picture to a website, make sure you go through this process. There is tools online that you can use, but I'd say if you want to do it in a simple way, you like how you're color graded all your images, they look really nice, they're on brand, then I would highly recommend doing it this way, saving it to a certain folder so that you know that you can bulk upload it to your website and have it really simple. I hope this video has helped, and I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you could consider subscribing, that would mean so much. Have a fantastic day. Goodbye.